Hello there. So the day has finally come that Svelte now officially supports TypeScript. Woohoo! Okay, so how do we do this? So it's pretty simple. If you're going to use the template, if you're starting from scratch, you can just dget it like you normally do, and then change directory into it, Svelte TypeScript app, and then we're going to open this up, and we'll see that there is a new folder called scripts that has set up TypeScript for us. And we're going to need to npm install. Okay, so let's have a look here. So here there's scripts, set up TypeScript. So this will do a bunch of things. You don't really need to know what it does or look at it, but you just need to run it. So node scripts / setup TypeScript. Okay, and now it's converted to TypeScript. Great. And it looks like it removed the script file. So it's done a few things. It's added this tsconfig. So if you have a current project and want to add TypeScript to it, you can add this TypeScript, this tsconfig file. Another thing is it's adding these two here, TypeScript and Svelte preprocess. And down here we've got preprocess, Svelte preprocess. Okay, so let's look at the code. We've got main.ts and app.svelte right here. So I already started the extensions. You're going to want to get a new Svelte for VS Code. So this right here is now the official one. It doesn't have many, oh boy, it doesn't have many downloads yet because it just was released, but this is the one you're going to want to use, and it's going to give you like squiggly lines for TypeScript and stuff like that. So here I have an input, and where's my input? Right here. So I have export let label as a string, and max is a number. So right now I am doing it correctly, but let's say I pass in a string, then you're going to get this little warning right here. Okay, so your build won't actually fail. So if I npm run dev, it's going to keep running, and it's just going to give you this warning right here. If you actually want to check, if you want a script that checks all the types, then there is this new one right here, validate, so svelte check. Okay, so npm run validate, and this will fail because max is supposed to be a number, not a string. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to it. You can do, everything else you can with TypeScript. I'm not going to teach you TypeScript here, but another thing, example, max plus equals s. Okay, so it's a string, so not assignable. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Oh, last thing, make sure you do include laying equals ts for the TypeScript to work. And I think that's about everything. So happy TypeScripting. Bye.